Alrighty then. So we're flying over Maggiore, Italy. Lake Maggiore? Maggiore, Italy. So it's JD here. The Flying Watchmaker. So I decided to go to Maggiore, Italy because I have been here and I've driven down this road right on the side here from Arona, Italy, all the way up to Switzerland. It's a beautiful, beautiful area, beautiful country. So I'm just trying to fly along the coast here. And I know there's a 3-island tour I might be able to get at. There's a couple of islands out there that I think are available once I get around the corner. But it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous area of Italy. And the road, they've modeled the roads here, and the road is in fact crazy like this. And it does go right along the coastline when you're driving all the way up here. It's a beautiful drive. You got to do it in a fast car though. Anything slow is boring. You can see the homes they've modeled here and stuff, and this is just gorgeous. Just going to pull out a bit and increase my speed here. I took off my terrain warning system here because it just didn't make any sense at all. Let me clear that alert here. See if I can clear that alert. Yeah. And I don't have my maps on, but I can probably put my map on here. There we go. We're back in business. I think just as I come down here, I'm getting close to the city of Arona, I think. Trying to remember. I'm going to tuck my tablet in here because it's kind of in the way. Arona, Italy is a vacation spot that people from Milano go there on the weekends. And they walk around and they hold hands. So, just gorgeous area though, Italy. I don't think this is Arona here. This is another city that that's half Switzerland and half Italy, I believe. Lugano is the name, I believe. I can remember driving through Lugano before I went up this road on the side to get to Italy. Excuse me. Every time I fly, I want to cough. Now there's a bit of an inlet over here on the right-hand side. I don't know what they actually manufacture in Lugano, but look at the mountains, just gorgeous. And I have a friend of mine who's moved up here to ski. So the food is inexpensive here. The housing is a little more expensive, but not that bad. You don't expect to live in the same kind of home that you have in North America. You've got to downsize considerably. There's a couple of islands here that have museums on them, but I don't think this is one of them. I did a 3-island tour once here, and the islands are kind of beside each other, and one of them has a museum on it. I don't think these are the islands though. They might be. I don't think so, but they might be. If they were, that would have to be Arona up ahead, but I don't think it is. Arona is at the tip of Maggiore. Yeah, no, that's not it. Just imagine living here on one of those islands. The weather is gorgeous here. The people are very nice in Italy. What a place to live. It's a different lifestyle altogether. At night, you eat around 7 or 8 o'clock, no earlier than that. The restaurants are open around 7 o'clock, earliest. And then you eat and you dine, you have some wine, and you talk. And basically, there's a lot of social life going on. People don't grab their video games and go home and watch TV. They go out and they meet each other and they talk, and it's just a gorgeous lifestyle. And like I said, if you go to the main square in Milan, people are just walking around, looking at things and talking. And the people from Milano and other areas of Italy go to Arona on the weekends. And you can just see them on Sunday just walking everywhere. So it's kind of nice. You see scooters everywhere here too. It's kind of what they use in Italy. If you order dinner in Italy and you order steak with vegetables, you have to order carne e verdura. If you order just a steak dinner, you get a steak. You don't get anything else. If you want some potatoes or vegetables, verdura, or anything else, you have to ask for it. You're not going to get it unless you ask. So I'm flying the H-160 by High Performance Group right now. Great helicopter. I've flown this thing off of oil rigs and other places. It's easy to control. You do have to make sure that you have your stabilization, your auto trims on, and that sort of thing, because it makes it a whole lot easier to fly, for sure. I think we're getting down to the base of the lake here, so we'll be getting closer to Arona, I think. Now I've got Navigraph working on a tablet, so I can see exactly where I am on a map. So I'm not flying map free here. I'm flying, not flying a course of any type, but I am keeping an eye on the map so I know where I'm going. Follow the train tracks, I'll get to Arona. There's some bridges up here. I'm also using the Tobii eye tracker, which makes it really cool flying. It's your head, it tracks your head movements, so you can check everything out, and you can check your instrumentation out if you want. Just look up here, see where all your instruments are. Make sure my rotor brake's not on. I had a software error in the EH-101 helicopter years ago where the rotor brake automatically turned itself on. That was not a good day. So these aircraft are well engineered. This one's an Airbus H-160 aircraft. It's dual engine. 5 blades, I believe. Very smooth riding because of the additional blades. I think we're getting close to Arona here. Yeah, I think right around here is Arona, Italy, right here. I'll bring it around here and see if I can find any points I recognize, like the Atlantic Hotel in Arona. Just as you get into the tip of Maggiore is where Arona starts. Then it splits off, and you can just take the highway directly to Milan. Yeah, it's a beautiful area, Switzerland. Or I said Switzerland, I meant Italy. Just going to cut it across here and see what I got down here. Yeah, this is not Arona anymore. This is following a path straight down. Perhaps I can land the aircraft over here. What do you think? I'm going to put on my landing gear. I have a quick look outside for a second. I can lower my landing gear here. What a beautiful helicopter this is. Just going to bleed off some speed here and then find a patch I can land in, maybe down here somewhere. Here I just have to watch my altitude as I'm doing this, because it's you can crash pretty easy. But take a look at this outside. What a beautiful area. I'm keeping an eye on my speed, and I'm just slowly going down here. Now I don't want to go backwards with my tail because I can get in trouble here doing that. But let's just put the aircraft down here somewhere. And whenever it says check power vortex, you can get in trouble. So if I just go forward a bit, I can correct that and then go down again. And I'll just go down lower and see where I can land here. Vortex is not good. Now I could land in the water, because I have floats on this aircraft. So the minute the aircraft says check power, you know you're in trouble.
Check power.
And if you react immediately, you're okay. And you can see I'm descending here. I just zoom in. Right there you can see I'm descending. That needle that's going down, up and down. I got my train warning system is on mute. My ACAS, which is my collision avoidance system, is on standby right now. I'm too worried about that at the moment. And I'm just sort of drifting backwards here a bit and watching my altitude as I go down. I've got a little bit of rudder control now because I'm not going forward so fast. Because when I was going forward before, I had almost no rudder control. I need to get some speed here. End up crashing again. I think I find it easier landing on the oil rigs than I do just landing on a blank piece of ground in the middle of Italy.
Check power.
Come on, stop it. I'm just going to turn in here and see what I got.
Check power.
Maybe over here somewhere. What I need is somebody's parking lot or land on the street. I think right here ahead of me here there's grass, a grassy area here. A grassy knoll. And I don't want to hit the branches. This aircraft will crash if you don't land it properly. So if I come in here just a bit, 20 knots. I'm not sure what the wind direction is right now. Could try landing on the roof. No, don't do that. That's crazy talk. Land where the air conditioning machine is here. I'm hovering nicely though. Let's just move forward here so I can get on the grass here. Forget this nonsense. All right, let's put this bird down. Come on. There we go. Nice and easy. And we are on the ground. Almost. I think we're on the ground right now. Let's have a look outside. There we go. Thing of beauty. Here I am sitting in the cockpit of this aircraft. This is the Airbus H160. Beautiful aircraft. Pretty cool shot there. Truck going by, and I think that will end my video for today. That is one gorgeous aircraft, though, you gotta admit, right? So a little tour of Italy, and we're good to go. So let me just get out of here and we'll end this video now. A little crazy driving here, and the swimming pool. And can I land it on the water? Not sure. I think I have the float bags on automatic. If I don't, I'm going to crash.
Check power. Vortex. Vortex.
Whoa, that was close. All right, let's cut this nonsense out. I need to land this on the water nice and easily, like I did on the grass. Let me just check and see if my float bags are automatic. No, they're not. Float bags automatic. All right, let's see what I can do here. Pretty wavy out here. I'm not sure if this will work. Nice job. Nice job. Land this baby on the water. There we go. That's pretty cool. There's the H160 Waterbird. Thanks a lot. I'm JD, and thanks for watching my video today. It's been a slice. Let's take off from the water.